Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by unpairing the watch from your iPhone so the account connection can be removed. First, make sure the watch has adequate charge or is plugged in. This prevents interruptions. Once done, keep your iPhone unlocked and nearby with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on. Open the Watch app, go to the My Watch tab, and tap the watch name at the top. This initiates the removal flow and allows you to access the unpair option that transfers or erases data. Do that next. Now you'll unpair and sever the Apple ID link. Tap the small info icon beside your watch in the Watch app, then choose Unpair Apple Watch. When prompted, decide whether to keep the cellular plan or remove it. Select appropriately. You must enter your Apple ID password to turn off activation lock. This step is crucial because without it, the account remains tied to the device. The iPhone creates a backup and then erases the watch. Let the process finish fully. Finish by confirming the watch displays the Hello Setup screen. This indicates the account has been removed. If activation lock still appears, go to iCloud. On a computer or iPhone, sign in, open devices, select the watch, and choose Remove from Account. This clears residual bindings. If anything goes wrong, restart both the iPhone and watch, then retry the unpair sequence. Make sure you have the Apple ID credentials available, because that password is the single most common blocker to completing removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.